Let's be honest, most AI mocap is joke. You get shaky movements, broken arms, and feet sliding all over the place. That is raw AI motion. Look at this screen. Real video on the left, perfect 3D animation on the right, no expensive mocap suits. Today, I will show you how to use the video mocap tool in Kinetiq Engine and how to polish your animation like a pro. Open Kinetiq Engine and go to Menu Capture and click Video Mocap. First, choose your target. You can bake the motion directly into Unreal Engine or a Second Life skeleton, male or female. And the best part, it is 100% private. The AI runs in your browser. Your video never leaves your computer. Just drag and drop your video file here. The AI works frame by frame. Right now we focus on full body tracking, but finger tracking is coming very soon. As you can see, the blue skeleton extracts the motion perfectly. Now, the secret. Raw mocap is never perfect, but in Kinetiq Engine, you can polish it easily. First, right toolbar, click on Foot Align. Menu Polish, click on Smooth tool. It removes camera noise. Apply and check the result. Next, foot locking kills all foot drift, holding your avatar firmly on the ground. Need to fix the timing? Use stretch to scale or retime any region. This is true production quality. Also, you can work with jiggle bones. That is perfect to create your natural and realist physics, easy and real time. Under jiggle bones, you also have ready-to-use presets for Second Life volume bones, like breast and butt. Just select them and adjust the sliders to get the perfect secondary motion instantly. You can also apply smooth to a single bone. Just select a joint, like the left hand, and turn on the trajectory view on the right toolbar. If you see sharp red square angles, the movement is jagged. As you apply the smooth slider, these squares soften into rounded green curves. Green means silky clean. When your motion looks great, it is time to export. Click Menu Export and choose your format. Stop wasting hours fixing bad animations. Go to thirdrez.com right now and elevate your art.